Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Moneybox app. Review my usage experience. Moneybox app Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and comparing different investment options within the Moneybox app. Its main purpose is to help users understand the various investment choices available, comparing their performance and fees. The target audience is likely individuals interested in investing, particularly those already using the Moneybox app or considering using it. Key features likely include investment comparisons, performance tracking, and fee analysis. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Moneybox's positioning is as a user-friendly tool for simplifying investment decisions. A key benefit is its comparative approach, allowing users to easily see the differences between various investment options. The website highlights ease of use and claims transparent pricing. It seems to focus on clarity and accessibility rather than complex algorithms or advanced analytics. Availability is tied to the Moneybox app itself, therefore, availability is dependent on the app's reach. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Moneybox app. Review my usage experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply logged into my Moneybox app, and the review section was clearly marked and easily accessible. The interface is intuitive and visually appealing. I particularly like the use of charts and graphs to visually represent investment performance. I easily compared several different investment options, looking at their historical performance and associated fees. The data loaded quickly, and the site remained reliable throughout my usage. I found comparing investments to be straightforward, enabling informed decision-making. I had a quick question about interpreting a specific data point, and their support responded within 2 days via email, which was acceptable. I was really impressed by how clearly the information was presented. It avoided jargon and made investing feel less intimidating. One minor drawback was the limited historical data available for some of the less established investment options. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Moneybox app. Review my usage experience. It significantly simplified my investment research and gave me the confidence to make more informed choices. That's my overview of Moneybox app. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.